Hello students, let's begin the chapter life process of class 10th, and today we will discuss about the nutrition in human beings. So humans are heterotrophic in nature. Heterotrophic means depends on other for their food. So human have a complex alimentary canal, that is the alimentary canal. So it consists of two parts, the alimentary canal and the associated digestive glands. So first, this is the buccal cavity. The opening of buccal cavity is mouth. This is esophagus, that is also called food pipe. Then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, and this is anus. And these are the glands: liver, this is the pancreas. So first, human take their food in their mouth. Okay, so through the mouth food enters in the buccal cavity, and buccal cavity contains teeth, and the function of teeth is mechanical breakdown of food. You know that teeth are of four types: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Buccal cavity also contains tongue, and tongue help in the mixing of saliva in the food. Tongue is a muscular organ, and that also contains taste buds. And in buccal cavity there are three pair of salivary glands which secrete saliva. Saliva contains salivary amylase, and salivary amylase perform the digestion of carbohydrate. After that, food from the buccal cavity enters in the esophagus. In esophagus, there is no digestive gland. How food travel in the esophagus? Esophagus have muscular wall that perform a rhythmic contraction and relaxation, that is called the peristaltic movement. So food propel in the alimentary canal, throughout the alimentary canal, by the process of peristalsis movement. So after that, food enters in the stomach. Stomach is a muscular bag-like structure which churn the food, and stomach secrete gastric juice from the gastric gland. And gastric juice contain hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. Hydrochloric acid create acidic medium. Pepsin digests the proteins into amino acid, and you know that hydrochloric is a strong acid, and acids are corrosive in nature, so it can damage the wall of stomach. So gastric juice also contain mucus, and mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach from the action of HCl. Then after, food enters into the small intestine, and this part of small intestine is known as duodenum, and this duodenum receive bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Bile juice contain bile pigments and bile salts. Bile pigments give the yellow color to the fecal matter, while bile salt perform emulsification. Emulsification means breakdown of large fat molecules into small fat molecules. With the help of bile salt, it is called the emulsification. Because enzymes cannot perform digestion on the large fat molecule. So for the breakdown of large fat molecules into small fat molecules, bile salts are required. Bile juice does not contains any enzyme. And after that, bile also create alkaline medium in the small intestine. After that, small intestine receive pancreatic juice from the pancreas through the pancreatic duct, and this pancreatic juice contain trypsin, and trypsin is a protein digesting enzyme that digests proteins into amino acids. Pancreatic juice also contain lipase that perform the digestion of emulsified fat, and this lipid digest emulsified fat into fatty acid and glycerol. And pancreatic juice also contain pancreatic amylase that perform the digestion of carbohydrate. After that, food enters in the jejunum and ileum part of small intestine, and further this intestinal wall secrete intestinal juice, and that intestinal juice finally convert carbohydrate into glucose, proteins into amino acids, fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Small intestine has large number of villus. Villus are richly supplied with blood vessels that transport the digested food materials. And after that, food enters into the large intestine. Large intestine have also villus that absorb the water, and in large intestine there is a partly synthesis of vitamin K takes place, and there is a organ that is known as appendix, which is a vestigial organ because it does not have any function in our body.